Hello family, today we are going to look at a new builder or a relatively new builder here in the Carolinas. Now it's new to the Carolinas, but it's one of the nation's largest builders. Stick around because you're not going to want to miss this. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, real estate, and all things North and South Carolina. And as I mentioned earlier, we are going to touch on a national builder who's come to the Carolinas, and they're coming to the Carolinas in a huge way. But before I talk about what this builder offers, please do me a favor. It greatly helps me out and allows more people to see this channel if you go ahead and hit that like button. It is free and takes little to no time. All right, now let's talk about Pointe Homes. Now, Pointe Homes, they're coming to the Carolinas in a huge way. They're in the Raleigh area, they're in the Charlotte area, and when I say they're in Raleigh, I'm talking about Apex, I'm talking about Wake Forest, Pittsburgh, Durham. And when I talk about Charlotte, they're in Charlotte, they're in Cabarrus County, we'll be in Harrisburg, they're in Rock Hill, South Carolina, and they're also in Mount Holly, North Carolina, which is in Gaston County. So again, it is one of the major players, and they're making a major play for North and South Carolina. And the reason why I'm excited about this is because when there's more competition, the home buyer wins. That means there are more players in the market offering more product. So not only is there more inventory, but you have different businesses or companies competing for your money. So that means they have to step their game up and either offer better things or lower their price. And that is why I'm excited about them coming to the Carolinas to make sure everyone else tightens their game up. Now, if you're interested in any of the Pointe Homes community, please be sure to reach out to myself or my team. Our contact information is on the screen. And if you're interested in buying a property but not quite sure where to start, check out this video right here where I go into detail about the home buying process and what you should do along the way to position yourself in the best way possible. Now, Pointe Homes, they don't have fancy names for their product line, and they have single family homes, which are ranch and a half style, and they also have townhouses and two different levels of townhouses, a very luxury level and then a very nice level, but not quite luxury to where you're paying $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 for a townhome. What I've seen so far, I really like out of them. Now, I don't have as much information about this builder as I do other builders because they're fairly new to the Carolinas. With all the other builders, I can tell you what my clients' experiences are from the past 2 to 10 years. But with this builder, I can't rely on that information. So what I'm providing you with is what I believe is their attention to detail in the home construction process, and also looking at the level of construction and the standard things they offer to home buyers. Today, I want you to come take a look at floor plan number 3 with me. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, along with a study and a 2-car garage. But before we go inside, let's take a look at the floor plan. Here's the floor plan. When you first come in, you have a flex room or study and a half bath. That's the foyer area, and then it opens up into the great room. You have the living room, dining area, kitchen, perfect for entertaining. Now, what is different in the model I'm going to walk you through is that this patio area has actually been extended out. So it's extra long, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It looks magnificent. It's covered. Then you have the owner's suite up here and 2 guest suites to the back along with the 2-car garage. In total, there's just over 2,000 square feet. All right, let's go inside and take a look. First thing you notice is the elevation. All of the exteriors have a brick. It varies on the design, but it is a beautiful exterior. Now the floors are an enhanced vinyl plank flooring. I really love this great room. Has huge vaulted ceilings and everything is just open. Look at all the cabinetry and the countertops. Comes standard is granite. You can upgrade to a quartz. You have a distinctive, elegant fireplace with brick all the way up to the ceiling. Then you head outside. This is the extended patio I was talking about, how they extended it to the length of the home. It looks absolutely amazing. It's covered. Just envision yourself entertaining out there. Now, granite countertops, as I mentioned, you have 42-inch birch cabinets. This is your pantry right here. Look at the backsplashes. It comes with a tile backsplash. Drop zone area going into bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. Now, all of these homes are smart homes. You get a smart home package, which is a Wi-Fi system, a Ring doorbell, a Wi-Fi enabled garage door opener. Just little touches and features that makes it feel like a modern home. No, you don't need it, but trust me, once you have it, you'll wonder, how did I live without it? At least I do. Here we are in the primary suite right now. Now, one thing I really absolutely love about their attention to detail is this bathroom. The tiles on the flooring extended all the way through the shower, and you'll see that the tiles in the shower go all the way to the ceiling. Unfortunately, that is very rare. Most builders stop at about 6 to 8 feet, but this one you see it go all the way up to the ceiling, that tile. It just gives it that elegant look, and all these showers come with that bench or seating area. Now, pricing, obviously it varies by the community, but I would say in the Charlotte area, pricing starts off in the 300 for most of their floor plans. Now, you could get into the fours depending on how many additions or add-ons you choose, but it's very well priced and is very competitive in this market. If you're interested in this community or any of their product, try Pointe Homes product, please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.